At Ambient Lighting Controls, we understand just how important having a sample of a lighting fixture can be when choosing the right fixture for your project. We keep over 500 fixture samples on hand in our warehouse, and we've made it easy for our customers to request them through our online sample library. On our website, you will find our sample library by clicking on our line card right here. When you click on Sample Library, you'll see your samples available for request. These samples are default listed in alphabetical order by manufacturer, and as you scroll down and click Load More, additional samples will follow. We have two ways that you can filter your search. If you know the manufacturer you're looking for, click on the manufacturer dropdown and select them from the list. For example, you know you're looking for a Metalux sample. If you select Metalux from the list, you can now browse all available Metalux samples we have in our warehouse. The second way that you can search is by a product tag or product type. So you might be looking for a linear suspended product. So from our tag, we'll select linear suspended, and now you can browse all linear suspendeds that we have available across all of our manufacturers. So from here, you decide that the new W2 Woody pendant by Mojo Illumination might fit your project's needs, but you'd like a little more information. So simply click on the image, and in a new window, the Woody W2 product page will populate. So once you've browsed through the product page and gotten a little more information, you've decided that you'd like to request a sample. Simply click back over to our sample library, click Request Sample, provide us with your email address, your company name, your name, and any notes that you would like to leave for your sales rep. Once you have submitted your request, your sales rep will be in touch to coordinate delivery of the sample. We hope that you take advantage of our sample library, and we look forward to working with you on your next project. Thank you.